I'm getting ready to sneak into the garage here and take a peek at Gerealdene. Because Caleb got the color done. Our friend from Colorado came in and helped Clint put the bed back on. And so I'm sneaking a peek at her this morning because I got called into work whenever they were piecing her back together, and I almost cried because I wanted to be here and video that whenever all that was happening. But she got color, her pieces are coming back together. Look at this. We color matched her original Ford blue. I don't know the technical name of it. My nephew K-Bob, he did a great job. This is his first full vehicle paint. So now it still needs to be wet sanded and buffed. So it's not totally done yet, but I think the color came out great. We're going to spray a liner into the bed. So while I was at work, Clint and our friend Brian from the Colorado Auto Modeler channel, he came and pieced together our full-size model. Helped us with that this week. She still has some things to be put on, but Clint got her door handles, the chrome strips, got the doors back on. I'm so excited. So she's getting pieced back together. We're a lot closer than what we was. I've got to go get a windshield ordered for, we're putting the original back glass in for now. Clint wants to switch that out to a slider eventually, but I just want the plain glass in for right now. Let's take a look at the other side and see what's going on there. So here's our tailgate. We've got to get all the lights back in. I don't know what we're gonna do about getting the white lettering back on. I think we'll probably go down to our local, we have a really good place here in town called Sound and Vision, and they did like all my pinstriping and stuff on my Bronco. So I may see if they can do something with my lettering and then tint her windows when we get her glass back in. So you want to hear a little whoopsie that we did. Got the whole truck painted. We were out admiring her in the driveway and I'm like, did you guys think to paint the door for the gas? Nope. No one even thought of it. So that we've got to, I guess we're gonna have to mix some paint back up and get that painted. But if that's the biggest mistake that happened, I'm totally down with that. I think the chrome just pops on this nice new shiny blue. We still have boxes of parts to put on her. We've about gotten everything from LMC truck. Got a whole box load of parts here. And there's still more. My whole office has basically turned into a Gerealdene part room. We have a new, let's see, what have I got in my office? Oh, new dash pad and new front bumper is laying in the floor of my office. And then we've got, I don't even know what's in here. We've got her new lights. Yeah, you can see whole pages full of parts. The only thing we did not get from LMC is we're just doing right now a basic seat cover, just the generic, like, I don't know what they even call these. I don't know. Everyone and their brother had one on their truck back in the 70s and 80s. I like them. It's just not what my vision is for her interior. So, but Gerealdene's budget is running out, and I found that on Amazon for like 40 bucks, so that's what we're going with for now. Later on, I'm gonna contact our local upholsterer and see, because the back rest of the seat is in good condition, and I really like how this tan just pops with that nice shiny blue. So build some more budget money back up, and I'm gonna see about maybe the upholsterer just redoing this bottom, see if we can find something similar to these stripes, or maybe just do solid tan down the seat part of it. But she's coming together. It's so exciting. Had so many people help us on Gerealdene. Clint has put in a lot of hours. She's nowhere close to being done, but a lot closer than we were.